Hi all, welcome to Die.3D Tech YouTube channel. In this today's video, we'll see where to buy drone kits and drone related parts in India. This is not a promotional video. First of all, whoever watching this video first time or coming to this channel first time, please like this video and please subscribe to my channel so that you will get the future video updates. So first website will be robu.in. So in this there is a dedicated section for drone related parts, so you can click on this, then you can go here drone parts. If you click on this, you can find category wise. Okay, so here you can see drone kit. Just click on this, so you can find different varieties of kits. So depend on your price range, you can find different varieties of kits so that you need to assemble. Even micro quads also available here. You can see it is a reasonable price, and if you want some advanced drone kits, you can see here which will come with APM Pixhawk. Okay, so as per your requirement, you can go for any drone kit you want. You can see different varieties. It's depend on your budget, you can select. So yeah, even you have option to buy a bigger drone kit. Okay, so this is the one. And if you go with the category wise, you can see individual, like here you can see frames, different size frames are available, and power distribution boards, and you can also see flight controller boards, dedicated section for flight controller boards. You can see gyros also available, different varieties of flight controller boards available as per your requirement. Even it is a brushed drone also, you can get some flight controllers here. Okay, so yeah, you can see DJ and Aja also available here. So you see whatever is your requirement, according to that you can buy a flight controller. Okay, so yeah, dedicated one. So you can see the transmitters also available, transmitter related parts also available here. So different varieties of transmitters, depend on your budget, you can buy transmitters. So high end also there, and some car parts and receivers, different varieties of receivers also available. Okay, so yeah, according to the requirement you can buy whichever transmitter is suitable for you. So different range transmitters also available. Okay, and you can see different varieties of receivers also. So depend on kind of drone you are making, you can buy a suitable transmitter and suitable receiver also. Okay, so if you go to the next section, you can see FPV cameras. So different varieties of cameras in a different budget it is available. So whichever FPV camera is suitable for you, you can buy. Okay, good collection is there, you can go through this and you can buy. Okay, even run cam also available here, 4K edition. Okay, so next one, and yeah, these are the GPS antennas. Okay, so next you can see the drone motors. So different varieties of drone motors are available here. So according to your drone setup, you can buy the motor. See, pancake motors also available here. Okay, yeah, so everything related drones it is available. These are the ESCs, different varieties of ESCs also available, different capacity, I mean amperes, 30 amps, 40 amps, like that. Okay, so you can go through this and you can select as per your requirement. Okay, so drone accessories. Okay, these are drone related accessories, you can go through this section for more details. Propellers also available, so depend on the drone you can select the size of the propellers. So you can go through this, and this will have FPV transmitters, video transmitter and receivers, and screens also available. Just see whichever in stock you can get it. Okay, these are the different varieties of transmitters, and you can also see drone gimbals available. Okay, so this website have a dedicated section for lipo batteries. You can check it in the main menu. So if you go here, all categories, you can check it here, lithium batteries. In that you can see lipo premium batteries, orange lipo batteries. There are two different, so you can go and check any one. So depend on battery you're looking for. 3S batteries, for a reasonable price you can get it in a reasonable range, and quality wise it's good. I'm using almost like 3-4 batteries from same brand. It's really working good. So 3S also good, 4S also good. So you can go through these websites, and as per your battery needs you can order. Okay, so like this, and you can go through this, and 4S and 5S available. Different brands also available, you can check it. See, I mean, one is orange, another one is lemon. Like this. So you can see the price range, whichever is in your price range you can give order. So my suggestion, you better go with orange batteries. So 3S and 4S you can give a try. Okay, so this is the first website. So you can go through these websites and you can buy as per your requirement. Okay, so my second website is quadkopters.com. You can go. This is a very good website for drone related parts, so you can check it. Here you can find different varieties of frames. Okay, yeah, at present most of them out of stock, but you can check this website frequently so that you can see different varieties of drones. You can see frames. So many variety of frames are available here. Okay, just check it regularly so that if any new stock comes you can see here. And these are the frames: mini frame, medium frames. Okay, just you can go through that. See, yeah, this one is available, so you can go through this. Whichever is suitable for you, you can buy. Okay, and you can have motors also here. See, and you can see some flight controllers. Okay, most of them out of stock, but you can check this website. So once it is updated the stocks, you can check it. Okay, so like that, almost all variety of things will be available here. Okay, so you can see FP screen also available. Okay, so you can see radio sets. Okay, receivers also available, and some skins also available for your transmitter. Okay, so this is the website. Okay, just check this website regularly so that once new stock comes you can see. Then third website we'll see now. Third website is rcmumbai. You can go to this website. This website have good collection of drone related drones and spare parts. Okay, so you can go here and you can check some pre-built models if any available. So these are pre-built models. Okay, so they'll give almost everything. Only thing I think you need to add your own receiver and battery. Okay, so good collection of drones, ready-made drones are available here. I think this is out of stock, this is available, this is available, and these are out of stock. Yeah, this one is available, Flywo. Okay, so these are the RTF ready to fly. So only thing you need to use your own radio. Okay, so like this is out of stock, this is available, this is available. Assembly, you need to assemble this is also not available. Yeah, like this you can go here and you can check it, whatever is available. And this is also have a good collection of combos. Yeah, so you need to arrange, means everything you will get it, just you need to assemble. Okay, so Yeah, you can see good collection of frames, some kits also available. Yeah. So you can see what you will get it here. Okay, and this have good collection of batteries also for your drone. So depend on drone type, you can look for 3 years batteries. Okay, 3 years battery is also available, and 4S battery is also available. So depend on, even 6S also available. So if you have a battery requirement, you can buy it from this website. Okay, yeah, and this is also have uh, yeah, you can see here radio and accessories, transmitters also available here, premium transmitters and receivers also available, antennas. Okay. Just go through this website and you can get different variety of drone related parts, and they also sell agricultural drones. Let's see in the new products. Yeah, bigger frames also available, motors, see, cameras available. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, you can see agricultural drones also available in this. I think this is available, this is also available, little expensive. See, you can see. If you are looking for these kind of drones, you can contact them for more details. Okay, so yeah, this is a very good website for good collection, okay, of drones and drone related parts. Okay, so yeah, so these are the websites mostly I will buy parts for my drones, so that's why I'll suggest these websites. And please read carefully these returns and warranty terms while buying the products from these websites. Okay, hope you guys like my video. If you like this video, and please like this video and please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends so that it will reach more people, so that it will be useful for who are in need of this information. So thank you very much, see you in next video.